cord. Break ID number 4938. 2018 Bowman High Tech Baseball. 1 box break. Slow, hold on. Whoops. There it is. Go. 5 left in 2017 Chronicles. 10 left in Luminance Football with the Best of Football bonus, the buyback card. Jeff B.A. and Jerry B.I. with free spots. A redemption in here. So we're looking for 4 autos. Albie's rookie. High-tech auto, Hunter Green. Actually one of their top prospects. To the Reds. Rick VI. Andres Jimenez. Mets. Rick VI. Oh, I like this one. Gleyber Torres. Yankees Jeff B.A. That's a free card. That is his team. Nice card. Chronicles is down to 4. And short print auto, Ahmed Rosario to 75. Also Mets. Rick VI. Jimenez again to 99. And Torres rookie. Well.